Hydroponics is the technique of growing plants in nutrient-rich water instead of soil. There are several different methods of managing this, but the basics involve planting crops with their roots exposed to water fortified with added nutrients. This method is increasing in popularity because crops can be grown all year indoors regardless of climate, season, or weather conditions. We have done a video on hydroponics before using rabbit poop as the nutrients in the water. It worked so well that we thought it might be worth starting another hydroponic system. Our interest was piqued to begin growing more food hydroponically when we met a man who does this himself. He actually came to our farm to purchase elderberry clippings, and he told us all about his setup. We planned to go bigger scale, however, we thought it would be best to start small and work our way up. That's why we purchased this hydroponic system. It's small and easy to understand. It comes with everything you need to get started, except the water. We will be growing herbs in our first go-around. I'm looking forward to growing lettuces and tomatoes inside during the winter. Once we have a good grasp on this, we will go larger and expand into a bigger system. Keep in mind, we still have our small-scale aquaponic system, and we have found it is great for growing barley for our animals. In just a few days, I can turn 1/4 cup of seeds into 2 pounds of feed. While aquaponics is easy, the nutrients in the water comes from fish poop, and if you have a fish or many fishes, you have to feed them daily. You have to feed a hydroponic system too, however, only once every 2 weeks. This hydroponic system comes with these tubes. There are seeds already inside. All you do is fill the base with distilled water, insert these tubes, put nutrients in the water, and watch the plants grow. These tubes sit in the water where the roots will sprout, but the actual seed doesn't get wet until the pump comes on briefly. It also comes with these domes that sit right on top of the tubes. This acts like a mini greenhouse and keeps the seeds warm. When the plant starts coming up through the surface, these are removed. The lighting is movable up and down. This gives you the ability to keep the lighting as close to the plants as possible. So when they grow, you just raise the light. So far, this system has been excellent. It is very easy. We have had this for just a couple of weeks, and you can see that we have already had herbs sprouting. If you are considering growing hydroponically or even aquaponically, I would suggest starting small and working your way up. Being able to grow inside year-round is one of those things that may be needed when SHTF happens. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.